Hey folks, it's Neil and I am packing for a trip. That's why all this stuff is behind me, but I got myself here a biking jersey, if I can figure out how to open it. It's weird that it comes in a box like this. Let's see, I have something sharp. Here, let's do it. So this is the qualidyne men's cycling shirt. So that's what it is there. And I got a size large, so we're gonna pick this thing out and see how it looks. So it comes, I don't know why it comes in a box, what a waste of packing material, but this is what it looks like. So let's see how it is. Qualidyne, so in US it would be large, in Europe it would be XL. So that's because us Americans are big fatties. And so you see it's got the shirt there, and then it's got the zipper little pouch in the back. So let me try it on, and I'll show you guys what I look like with it. So here it is on. So I got a large, which is probably decent for me. I like them a little loose. Going mountain biking, not really super heavy road biking that I need it super tight for. So seems like a good fit. And then I've got my little zipper pouch back here, so I can go and stick my, my hat or whatever in there as I'm riding, or my other things. So seems pretty good to me. It's got a good fit, got a nice zipper. Zipper seems to work good. I can zip it up all the way if I want. And fits pretty good around the arms. I can do this. I mean, I'm not gonna be doing this, not be weightlifting while I'm biking, but it seems like a good fit to me. So I'm gonna say thumbs up for me. I'll put a link in the description, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.